Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I am so happy you are here. So today is deep cleaning day, and also I'm going to give you a peek into how my days usually go. So I start out my mornings by opening up all of the blinds and the doors if it's a nice day to get some light in. I'll take care of my babies, I will get myself ready, and then I will get my glass of water. I am a creature of habit, so this is an every morning thing. As you can see, I do have quite a bit of tidying up to do today, but I will get to that. So I like to work in what I call zones. So I will make sure to go one room at a time, focus on getting that deep cleaned for the day. I just feel like I'm more productive when I work on one room at a time. Typically, I start in the kitchen because it is always the messiest place. I usually leave my dishes in the sink from dinner the previous night if it's a late night, and typically I have been having late nights because we've been doing a lot of DIY projects, so at night we like to relax, so I just leave stuff like this until the morning. So that's where I like to start. The kitchen is where I spend most of my time, so if it's clean, I am happy. To deep clean my kitchen, I start off by washing all of the dishes and clearing off the counters so that I can wipe off the counter space. So I am always using my Method and Mrs. Meyer's products. I will have a link below if you're interested. They always make my house smell brand new. I love this lavender Mrs. Meyer multi-surface cleaner that I've been using. It smells amazing. So I use that to wipe off my counters. Usually during the week I'm pretty lazy, so I don't move everything when I wipe off the counters every day, but whenever I'm doing my weekly cleaning, I make sure to take everything off of the counter space so that I can get a deep clean under all of the items, under the shelf. And then I did have a sugar spill. I'm sure you saw on my last video when I made banana bread, and I found a lot of sugar under that shelf, so it was a good thing I moved it that day because it needed a good clean. Continue my deep kitchen clean by washing off my sink. I usually just use dish soap and this scrubber that I got from TJ Maxx. After the sink, I will move on to the stove and the microwave. I use my Method degreaser to give those a nice deep clean, and then I will take all of the parts out of the inside of the microwave and I will give those a nice good clean with some dish soap. And then once that is done, I will go ahead and use my stainless steel cleaner. So I use that on the fridge, the stove, the microwave, and the dishwasher, and make sure everything is nice and sparkly, and then my kitchen is ready to go, besides the floors, but I always save vacuuming and mopping for very last. kitchen cleaning, I was feeling pretty motivated, so I thought that was the perfect time to start studying. If you follow me on Instagram, you will know that I am studying to get my real estate license. I'm hoping to take that here within a couple of months. So I was studying for about half an hour, and I did that throughout the day. I can usually only focus for 30 minutes, so I'll study for 30 minutes, do something else, and then come back to it. Austin came home from work, so I thought I would be nice and make him some lunch. He had the weird request of a bologna sandwich. Not my favorite, but he got what he wanted. Now to continue with my deep cleaning, I will go through every single room and just make sure everything is tidied up. So this is when I will organize all of the blankets and the pillows. I will dust everything that needs a good dusting, like our dresser, the office desk, and we have a coffee table in there. In the living room, I dust the bookcase, the TV stand, the lamp, really anything that needs dusted. This is when I do it. So this is my tidy and dust time. So I also go through and I organize anything. We have a lot of loose spare items thrown around in that spare bedroom in the front of the house. So I always take this time to organize it and make sure it's nice and tidy because we neglect it throughout the week since we don't go in there very often. So I just give it a little love for my weekly cleaning, and then I just make sure everything is nice and tidy, make the beds, make sure everything is dusted, and then I will continue to the bathrooms. My bathroom cleaning routine never wavers. It is the same every single week for both bathrooms. So I use my Method products that I keep in my caddy and I carry back and forth to give the bathroom a nice deep clean. I clean the shower, the mirror, the vanity, the toilet, and then I come back later and I will do the floors. Able to give Austin his garage back after we finished up the nightstands. He was happy. So now he's starting his own project. He went and got a bunch of wood. He's going to be making his own workbench. So I think I inspired him to do this DIY. So stay tuned. I'll actually update you guys on Austin's project. I have some new faces on my Instagram and my YouTube, so I just wanted to show off one of my favorite projects that I have done. I walk by this every day and I'm just still in love with it. So this was a gray wall, and then I did this in DIY Sharpie shiplap. I have a blog post that I will link below. And then here pretty soon I am going to be DIY Sharpie shiplapping a wall in our bedroom. So I'm really excited about that. And then I'm gonna have a whole video on a bedroom makeover, so that'll be fun. I completely finish up my cleaning by going through and vacuuming every single floor and hallway. And then once I'm done vacuuming, I will follow up with the Swiffer Wet Jet. I didn't get lazy this time. I made sure to get every single spot that I could because the little fur babies had been tracking in mud because it had been rainy. So I made sure to really get the entryways with the Swiffer Wet Jet. And then once I am done with this, my deep cleaning is done for the day. Home is nice and clean and tidy. It smells amazing because of my Mrs. Meyer's lavender scented multi-surface cleaner and also all of the candles that I have burning. Now I am ready to do whatever I have planned for the rest of the day. Do you want to go for a walk? Do you want to go for a walk? Should we go for a walk? Do you want to go for a walk? All right, let's go. Working on my pickup, I will be ordering from Walmart this time. I've actually noticed they have a few cheaper things than Kroger, and Walmart's a little closer for us, so it's convenient, and it's a free pickup, so that is awesome. And then I wrote down all of my food, and Austin's gonna smoke us a pork loin. I'm super excited. I usually meal plan and do a pickup about every Friday or Saturday, sometimes on Sunday if I don't have time. The way I do this is I usually have the Walmart pickup on one side and then my Pinterest up on the other side, because I'm always saving food ideas. So I will just go back and forth between each screen to make sure that I got all my recipes down. And this is actually what I'm going to be making tonight, this 20-minute chicken and broccoli pasta I'm excited for. And then I did add this Parmesan crusted chicken to the list for next week. So all of this is really exciting. It's going to be a good pickup and then good dinner tonight. Now it's dinner time, so I'm going to make this chicken broccoli pasta. It actually turned out really good, and Austin loves breadsticks, so I went ahead and made some of those for a side for him. We got to eat outside this evening because it was a beautiful day. I think it was around 70 degrees or so it was a perfect night to enjoy the patio. After dinner, I went ahead and did my kitchen cleaning, and then I was free to do whatever I wanted the rest of the night, so I chose to relax. Austin spent most of his evening working on his workbench, and it was turning out great. I will update you here soon. Saw earlier there was just a bunch of wood on the ground, and now Austin's turned it into a table. How long has it taken you so far?
It's been quite a few hours.
Yeah, but
on and off.
He's doing really good. Look at that. Did I inspire you to DIY?
Oh yeah, you totally did.
And that was a day in the life of Callie. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope this motivates you to get your weekly routine done, get your house nice and clean for the weekend so you don't have to worry about it. I also hope this inspires you to do some things that you enjoy and make the best of the time we are in right now. Don't forget to subscribe because I have a lot more videos and especially some fun DIYs coming up. Follow me on Instagram for nearly hourly updates on everything in the life of Callie. Thanks guys, see you next time.